each order we receive at Momore, whether it be over the phone or online, we personally take care of ourselves. And once we take the order, we come back here and we pack your order as quickly as possible with the same care that we'd pack our own order. We try to protect it as much as we can because we know things get thrown around during shipping. After your item is packed, we put the address shipping label on it, and you will get an email notification that your item is going to be shipped out that day. Whether you're a common cutter, everyday cutter, or landscaper, we still pack all your items and hopefully fulfill everything that you need for the homeowner to succeed and the business owner. This is one of our grinders. This is one of our best selling items with Momore. It sharpens blades, lawnmower blades, hedge trimmer blades, and it just naturally, if you go to momore.com, you'll see under the grinding section that it creates the perfect angle for your lawnmower blade to be sharpened. It takes all the stress out of it, which results in keeping your blade longer, using less blades, and it also pays for itself within a few months. This particular item is going to Platte City, Missouri. Put the extra packing tape on it here. Increase the safety. Then I'll pack a set of blades for you too, also. This will be then put by the shipping door, and UPS, when they show up around 3 o'clock, take your item and ship it directly to you. Package of the day.